Hey guys, a lot of people ask me all the time, can you show me how to do a pre-sale? Can you show me how to buy into a pre-sale and then show yourself ripping or rip FTing, meaning selling it after it's gone up, like in 24, 48 hours, once it's hit on PancakeSwap and recoup my investment and profited. And if I liked what I saw, leave in free tokens. That's rip FT. Rip is just recoup investment, profit, and then rip on out of there because you don't like what you see. Okay, I've done this quite a bit. I've done it in a free course that I have. I've made videos on this a lot, but I thought I'd make a new one that I could just refer people to who ask me for this. And so Minisports has come up. I'm not going to put a lot in this, just 0.3 BNB because it really doesn't meet the criteria that I'm most excited about lately, trends that we've been talking about that we're looking for right now, which are really around utility and that have a lot of long-term potential with an early upside. This has a lot of the elements of the crypto strategy, the criteria that we're looking for in Tribe 100X. So I'm going to drop a little bit in it and just show you how to make some quick money in a really short turnaround. With a lot of these projects, it's really simple to do if they meet the criteria. I'll put some links below if you don't know our crypto pre-sales criteria and all this stuff. Incredibly easy to do. So you need to make sure you're connected to your wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to my wallet, just make sure that it's open. I've got lots of different wallets. It's just one I just wanted to use for this case. And it's not my main wallet, of course. And so I'm going to, let me just run through some things for those that don't know. So soft cap 400 BNB, hard cap 800 BNB. So what that means is if they didn't reach the 400 BNB goal, then they would refund your money and it wouldn't go through and they might try to do it again. But they have reached it already. It's 451, which is why I'm coming in on this. They're having a hard time going up further, but it's going to happen. They hit their 400 BNB goal. It's still running for another day, 19 hours, 12 minutes. The hard cap 800 BNB, if they hit that before the timer countdown hits zero, they hit 800 BNB, the hard cap. What hard cap means is then it's also over and it will go ahead and launch on PancakeSwap. But this looks like it's definitely going to launch on PancakeSwap regardless because it's already hit the soft cap, which again is 400 BNB. And the other thing is just notice there's some links up here. Again, I cover all this in so many different videos, but I just wanted to make sure in case you just came across all this. So here, if you click here, you go to the website. And according to our crypto pre-sales criteria, it's not a terrible site, but it's not like, the best ever. No red flags. They're doxed. No major red flags. The other major thing is in our crypto pre-sales criteria, we go to the group. We see they got a good following. They only have 7 participants in the voice chat, so they're not doing much there. But the chat is open, and if you scroll up, you see lots of communication. I'm not going to cover our whole crypto pre-sale criteria, but just that was a really quick overview. Let's show you how to do this, what a lot of people have been asking for. So I'm going to put 0.3 for 0.3 BNB. I'm going to click contribute. I'm already connected to my wallet. You do need to be connected to your wallet. I was already automatically connected. There'd be a button up here that says connect wallet, to connect the wallet if you weren't. So I just clicked or put 0.3, hit contribute. This popped up. I need to confirm the gas price, right? It's 0.000937 BNB gas fee. I'm going to hit confirm. So now it disappears. If I go up here to MetaMask and I go to activity, you see it's pending. It's going to go through any moment. And I will have participated in the pre-sale. Not too challenging at all. So this is going to go through any second, and it just did. Confirm transaction. You see that it's taken the BNB out of the account. Now, if I go to assets, it won't be in here. It's the way these pre-sales work. It's now holding it in a contract, and now we have to wait for this to be finalized. And so you just follow the Telegram group and follow their notifications. And when it's done, either in a day and 19 hours, or if they hit the hard cap of 800 BNB, when it's done, they'll notify everybody in the Telegram group. And then I'll be able to click to claim, and then it's going to put those, in this case, Minisports tokens into my MetaMask at that point. And then they launch on PancakeSwap, and then I can sell. So I'll be back in the next video to show you me making a quick profit on this. I plan to just rip, which means recoup investment profit. I'm not going to leave in free tokens. I cover in other videos on my channel, like what I'm looking for right now, like utility tokens. That's what I would leave free tokens in. But I'm going to show you how to quickly make a quick turnaround profit as soon as this hits pancakes. I'll see you in the next video.